Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana and I'm back with another wig installment. This video is not like any other wig installment because this hair was kindly sent to me from Cranberry Hair. Inside the box they send you the wig, of course, some lashes, and some wig caps, which always come in handy. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So this unit is going to be installed glueless, so I'm not going to use any type of glue. I'm just going to use the Got2b freeze by spray and the gel. I'm going to do the normal bald cap method as you see me doing. So this is the unit right after I bleached it and slightly plucked it, so I'm just seeing how it looks. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth foundation, and it's in the shade 322. I honestly like doing this method way more than doing the Ruby Kisses, you know, the makeup that I've been using. I like this way more. Next time I want to try lace tint just to see how that is, but I do like using my foundation. As I just said, I like using this method way more because as you can see it blends in, and I was just impressed because I never did that before. I was just trying to show you how the construction of the wig look. I forgot to show that, but it has two combs in the front, one in the back, and adjustable straps. So now I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. So now I will be using the 70% alcohol, you know, just to clean up the skin area, make sure there's no dirt or oil anywhere near where you're going to be laying the wig down. So I'm going to cut the lace into 3 sections just so it's easier to apply the wig. So like I said, we will not be using any type of glue, just this Got2b gel. So we're going to use this like 3-in-1 little edge brush thing. So it has the brush, the comb, and then it has like a little, I don't know, little knife thingy, little butter knife thing, I don't know, to like apply the gel or glue. That's what I use it for. I love it a lot. So I'm going to apply my first layer of gel, and I'm going to turn my blow dryer onto a high cool setting just to get the gel to be kind of like dry but also tacky at the same time. I only do 2 layers of gel just because when it dries it tends to turn like kind of white. So like you can see it right there, like it turns like a little bit white, and I just was kind of scared. I didn't want the lace to be all white, so that's why I only did 2. So now I'm going to apply the lace onto the gel, as you can see. And then I'm going to take my comb and just, you know, basically like lay down the lace more without me having to touch it, because I just didn't want the gel to like seep through the lace. So the gel was not dry, it was tacky, so that's why I'm going to use my blow dryer on a cool setting, high cool setting, to make sure that it's dry before I add my spray. Alright, so at this point the gel was completely dry, and I'm going to add one layer of the Got2b Freeze Blast spray, and then I'm going to quickly use my little homemade elastic band to, you know, tie it up real quick before it ends up lifting. Okay, so boom, I know y'all see how melted that is, and no bolt hold or ghost spawn was used in the making of laying down this unit, y'all. So now I'm gonna go about cutting off this lace, and I'm gonna, you know, split it in half more with the little scissors, and I'm gonna take my little eyebrow razor. Make sure you're careful with this, y'all. You will cut yourself. Yeah, so, you know, make sure you're careful with that, and that's what I did to cut off the lace. So I'm really loving the way that this wig was constructed. It's a 13x4, but I was able to do a curved part. You know, you can't do a curved part unless you have a 13x6, and I really don't be liking how factories be making the wigs, like where you could barely, you know, give yourself a middle part. If you guys do not have a 360 mist water bottle, please get yourself one, because these are nice. I love it so much. I couldn't find a big size on Amazon, but I did find the big size in Sally's. That's where I got mine from. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all in the review section. So yeah, the voiceover is done now, but I'll see y'all in the review part. Alright, you guys, so this is how the hair is looking as it is fully dried. Yeah, it's fully dried. It has no product in it at all. All I added was water. There was nothing in the water, just plain water. It is a little long, like right here in the front, but I just didn't want to cut it because I'm not that good at cutting bobs. I ended up cutting those pieces off anyways because, I don't know, it just looks better now, so I'm happy that I did. I get little to no shedding on this unit, so that's pretty much all I have to say about it. I don't really have any negative comments towards the unit. Thank you so much at Cranberry Hair for sending me this unit. I was literally so stoked because I've never been sent a unit before. If you are interested in this unit and any other information about Cranberry Hair, I will leave it down below in the description. If you are new, do not forget to like and subscribe, y'all, because I'm close to 100 subscribers, and that's like my goal right now is 100. I have a bunch of other videos on my channel. I have some synthetic units, some nail videos, and I'm gonna get into it. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.